This is gonna be a doozy. This was my favorite modification I never knew I needed. I wasn't fully planning on doing it originally, but it fell into my lap. And when I lost it, I lost it. The car has not felt like I got my car back. I got hit, I got a new bumper, they did a great paint job. I decided to go in a different route sticker wise, probably for the better. A lot of compliments, but my car hasn't felt like my car. The front end does look naked. The front end had a very distinctive feel, and people understood certain aspects without having to ask questions. And even people that aren't car people know when they see certain features on a car, it tends to scream performance. Might not, but it might. Acs Composite, of course. Oh my lord. So, Canard. Not only is this an Acs Composites Canard, but this is my single favorite mod that I've ever done to my car by a mile. This was the mod that I did that I didn't have one person be like, hey, what's that? What's that do? When people seen this, race car. It doesn't matter if you've never seen a track. When people seen this, race car. When kids seen this, it was like, race cars have those, like this single mod just changed my car for me. And it was the one mod when I crashed that the insurance company didn't want to replace. The splitter wasn't damaged, but this was crushed into the side of my car. So I was pretty upset. When I got my car back, it didn't feel like I got my car back. And then the pandemic happened and Acs Composites was closed for months. And I waited a long time to finish up with my insurance company. And what I did, I never took a rental. I never really argued anything. They did enough work and did enough stuff that I wasn't going to go back and chase the shop around for things. But I just wanted my Canards back. And that was the end of the story. So I worked out a deal with my insurance company. My insurance agreed to cover the cost of my Canards. And I have purchased them again from Acs Composites because I did just miss them that much. And with the new look, they will look different again. So I will be getting my old car back with a new attitude, which is pretty exciting. One thing I will point out is if you're ever buying Acs Composite stuff, always pay for the paint. Their paint work is a premium, to say the least. So on a rear diffuser, I'm getting quotes of $500 for gloss black, and they charge $150, $200 to have their products painted. They don't paint them themselves. They prime them, and then they send them out to a professional paint shop to have them painted. And when they come back, it is the best paint quality I have ever seen on an automotive product. I mean, hands down. If I ceramic coated this, it would look like a complex mirror. It would not look like a gloss black piece of trim. And I cannot say how well the Acs Composites paint holds up. I don't know what sauce they put in this, but it is every bit worth the dime. And when you get it and you unravel it and you just sit here in awe, and like I'm looking for like just subtle orange peeling. I'm looking for things that come on OEM cars, and I don't find it. I find just the best quality product. I will say one thing that separates Acs Composites from most is the side fin. For those of you that know anything about aerodynamics, you know that as wind passes over a wing, it will dive off the side and you will lose downforce. So the side fin is more than function, or more than cosmetic. It actually helps keep the wind channeled and keeps the downforce on the car. These do work at a little bit faster than a recommended highway speed. The difference from one day to the next with and without these products is noticeable. The amount of little things, the amount of little like bumps and grooves and little things you notice are more substantial, and you think to yourself like, I wonder if my tire pressure is different. I wonder Like I wonder, oh, like what mode am I in? Am I in track mode? Like where's my suspension setting at? And then you're like, oh no, everything's normal and everything's the exact same it was the day before. And then you sit back and you go, all right, I got the wings and we're cruising at a pretty good speed right now. And obviously the difference of actual aero and functioning aero is pretty substantial. So these things are amazing and I am extremely excited to get these back on. Acs Composites, SS front canards, oh baby. This is the jam and the jelly. So, till next time, guys, take care, drive safe, and behave, as always.